to 4. Last year now your bad dream share 4. The could be share 4. The car would have go share 4 last season. You play the Mujer in a park or a Caliban Manqua, Jayoko, Emana Ligino, Inamu, Polidi, Ejaonum, Johnny Kinfesa, Yakunguni, Iba Ikama, Ejaho, Eco Pim or Jira Clubba. That place the same year now, and a defender, Farouk Adams, or the Kakobo Police Media Service, Ecoye, Abaya Sema. According to the how you the carbon firm, once you know your coach back of the season, and no a party is I'm a new coach by any and the details so far. Not this year, no create my idea. Wow, idea. Push in the Minnesota. You know,
country be we are ready for the battle. The team is ready. Luckily for us, the rest at the African Cup of Nations qualifier in June. We use their qualifier as also a training warm-up for the World Cup. Aside that, people have my opportunity. Me have both friendly matches. I'm a team now prepared for the World Cup. I have no doubt at all that with the current crop of players that we have, then with the current tactical technical team that we have, and with the current GFA Black Star Management Committee that we have, I have no doubt that we put all the necessary things in place. And now the Dr. Akuffo has promised that he has charged me to ensure that every logistics or financial needs that the team needs, we should work around it and make sure that we provide for them. So that they will go to Qatar not only to be just to go there and participate, but to go there and make an impact. Because we have a rich history as far as World Cup is concerned. In 2006, they called Germany. 2010, yes, I called South Africa. We represented the entire continent as far as the World Cup was concerned. And 2014, yes, I called do 116. Ghana has a rich history as far as World Cup tournament is concerned. And I have no doubt at all that this current team can also make it.
Because they introduced new boys in the system. It's not fair. Since December, you lose too much being home and away. Expectations are I got 3 points, you'll be you draw here and there. But since December, you lose too much. Or to say a large game, we lost. But you know, like I said, football there, what would you now? Because never say be bad. You're possibly one way out. When you coach the player, the Tottenham hospice, when you coach the player, it's okay.
Obi a take lead. Obo lose 2, 3, 4 matches. Actually, do now because once you are winning, so also draw cry or take one step. You lose and also win, but he's still moving. Unless of course something happens. Because I am very in say I thought they wanted to break my record or equal my record with Kotoko because when I league in about 5 matches. I'm beating 15 goals and 15 points. Entina Kotoko supporters of 5015.com. 15 goals, 15 points. And at this time, so also have more 4 matches when you're 12 points. Then you want the add up and the whole record in the league, you know. And when we took over and then we were at the top, you know, that is what I'm saying. It is
the contract ended on the 1st of May, which is last 2 months, and I'm a contract ended. But on the contract, we can expect, and I'm also because I'm coach, you know, some of the same TV. Then also I'm training, I share at the end of the 2nd of June, which is 2nd day, you know, it was on Tuesday, to make a coach, and say, the players will be more now, if you more injury, yeah, like it's because what I went to see a company, you know, my good start matching for like it players. The Qatar coach is said, I know you need to be before and Qatar, so they are on the contract for end of June, so they are players no more available, the meeting affecting the players in the one of the meeting, and I'm supposed to look at you and say, okay, that was a very good idea, it's a very good idea, or buying into that idea, I'm sure. Men, I'm afraid of it, I'm catching up and say the idea of you need players, so according to the also are a hint, most men have a contract about it.
Okoman Radio.
That was the end of city. Now, we are from Barima, and from the team. After my main course, I need to manage again. If you move back about the captain, so anything at the floor office, you know, the captain back to you.
This is not a game. If I'm using the junior team for Akuffo, Kotoko cannot score me. Best game against Legon Cities. This is not a game, right? If I'm using the junior team for Akuffo.
Because we just registered them, they are new players, so this is their first outing.
So I wouldn't be surprised to have seen what I saw. Our scoring abilities are our challenges. Now we are working on it. Very soon, when the league starts.
So as you can see, this is a premiership. We want. We all crying for the beauty of the game, but look at this pitch. Honestly, it's very bad. Yeah, but we plan well against our next game. I think it's Wafa. We have to go all out to pick that 3 match.
Play free flow football. So I planned for them, and I decided we're not going to walk in the game. We're not giving them room to play. We give them high pressing immediately they get the ball, and that's exactly my boys did today, and we have won this match, taking the 3 points.
Congratulations once again.
Okoman Radio.
Charlie, Ghana score where I lose my voice.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
What up? What?
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Lord of mercy.
Yeah, call. What? Charlie, Ghana for Bobo Manakama Puma. Send a modega medica for a tight corner. The digger you, Jeda was the one Stephen Apia, Prince Watin, Gomo reports at Talia. One another Bagomo Muklebe over Sia cry, and that Tremon Namunga Mosha Jalabia. With the name person, may your Meneso Mesha, may you Gushi, ye, do know your friend and run. Yo, Mimia soccer fan, the Sogana for Bobo, and I made that could have been pick up a shit. The cafe can be Jimmy Pants.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I said, I can see and come as some wager, match it up to a fraud, they say to be dear pan, Maya, the Corado do be a A1, but be a Clinton, Corada need a great fan. When I can be the best from give us a magic hyper, return of a Magedon blaster, sing Jaida as I'm one champion, your number one striker, Kingston, when you're done, your number one diver. She said, me got a snoop, 50 cents, I'm ready to Metia career zone to guess. You show me I'm feeling impotent. Gonna phone who. I just say, San Cabo, pap, a ship me ever cross if you corner, but she need him, Moshe Kumas and Netema, Amanfo, Bubuzela, no boy, man, it's to be away. One corner beba, in Sudoche, one a beba, singing Sudoche, one corner beba, in Sudoche. Now, two is on the block. Yeah, one of you ever wanted to say your butcher's killing. Who will be a bit on your body and Billy? Now you shower, you say you shall willing. I said, I'm going to be king of my car. Start from the punchline, but I'm a nice feeling. Black stars, so better send my greetings. Shine, because this be your brightest season. Now, to my condos on the block. What?
Me, I got party hard. You know me, I got party hard. Me want party hard.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Special help from the government of Ghana. Special help from the government of Ghana. Special help from the government of Ghana. Ghana.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
me hand catch. Let me see your catch.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Ghana na tesu. Kaya shebo. Nansu wedi emu tene. Pokwe motia yesa ya mbopo. Jani mbeme. Ghana blaster. Nana nyami de cry. Wanna baba, Ghana blasters. Nana nyami de cry. Yeah, Beshamona, Chumo time cost rubber for my Ghana blasters. Yeah, dear, you know your hey, but I in Kumafo. Any day are you, but just someone worries for castle. I demand bed whopper in the jump boy. I think Vasasule Mutari. Yeah, Michael Essien Prince Batty, baby, get go. Hey, wanna baba, Ghana blasters. Nana nyami de cry. Yeah, Beshamona, Chumo time cost rubber for my Ghana blasters. Yeah, dear, you know your yeah, the Palmo, the time was our pussy up here. Muku Kwamadi, our young tete. As well could not do it. Ghana might have with you. Ghana Mandamo.
So I know. In wake up and I did the Abubida. See you when you know the most of wobble. It's in the Jimmy in the South of Wadanko, who the day didn't call Pana wobble blasters. Check one so what the baller with the move front tower, pass man, share. Strong defenders, I was so pressure or the ball let the labor prayer share. But I without that chin. We freeze the time on us, man. Tell when wanna baba, Ghana blasters. Nana nyami de cry. Yeah, Beshamona, Chumo time cost rubber for my Ghana blasters. Yeah, dear, you know your Jerry, I come in go. Jordan, are you go? Adam Farase, catch. Emmanuel Frimpong, go. Robbie Mohammed, go. Anthony Annan, go. Tom Nikadia, go. Stephen Adams, catch. Here no say yes, Arumo. Blaster says Arumo.
Frame on the beat.
Wanna baba, Ghana blasters. Nana nyami de cry. Yeah, Beshamona, Chumo time cost rubber for my Ghana blasters. Yeah, dear, you know your Jerry, I come in go. Jordan, are you go? Adam Farase, catch. Emmanuel Frimpong, go. Robbie Mohammed, go. Anthony Annan, go. Tom Nikadia, go. Stephen Adams, catch. Here no say yes, Arumo. Blaster says Arumo.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Right, Okoman 97.1. Now, no boy, I said, Tennessee, good evening, Sam.
Say frame on the beat.
And I Tennessee, Baba Timon, come on, Nadia, better than Machina Yanda. Yes, and said, it's supporting in Akuffo Kumasi, Papa Yara Sports Stadium.
In wake up.
I honor the Black Stars of Ghana. And our friends to the Central African Republic. And the big game in Ashishaso.
And a wobble blaster.
We a total African Cup of Nations qualifier.
Move front tower.
Yes, next year, Ivory Coast.
Strong
defense. You see a bit of Machania qualifier. Could Jamaica Kenya. Then play the cup and a bar. And Tinyami Buechina. 4 p.m. Ghana time. Ewo Kumasi, Papa Yara Sports Stadium. The Black Stars of Ghana. And our friends from the Central African Republic. Shannon said the live commentary so back Elfia. Answer Okoman 97.1. Yeah, say you should be near Kabi Eddie Akuffo. And the live commentary back. It's Jim. It's 3 p.m. The pre-match analysis baba. The commentary not to us. The writer commentator can't grab in what touch it down Kumasi. Nah, na press conference back so. Team need training no back so. Yeah, the press conference and any training sections in your bro. I want to median so. You have a report from the writer commentator. In the next 1 hour, right about touch it down. Oh, come on, say. Sometimes flights no out the corner no day. And a pair right 2 years. Excellent crown over touch it down, come on, say. But players in the do and not done a place in the two, come on, say. And when you force a send your damn for to meet up your man, say, Kuma.
Check one, so what the ball would you move from
Jordan Pierre, you.
Strong defense.
And offense on Richard Ofori. Finally, you're joining team no.
Without that chin, we freeze the time.
But news about any and Sharanyani Kasa, a branch friend Joseph Pento. Report I'm in Sakan is a branch and a prayer. Yeah, see Nadia came over to my Bobby and paying for Asher Echanoquine at a free Timimo. Don't call on quality treatment. Never corner find out as San Salmon sweat to say. I could a woman and saying, but a report I'm in Sakano. Sa branch and Sena Praka Crash and one a branch and a buy. But every Permian Saka, the writer, commentator, you bet you updating you know the through area bar.
Piano yes,
It's a frame on the beat. Wait.
But I don't pay my fun. I see a Cassian Famao. Wow, when you break ATM, I try my live on Facebook. Now see a Cassian come from out. Samson and it through any change and confirm my boy for 1xBet. And China Ghana show in TNA also to me register on 1xBet. Now make it deposit. We get deposit at 100% bonus. Now things what to me the chop bet no. Ghana Shana and Nigeria Bano. Now so cash out big time from 1xBet. It's a now upon 1xBet take cry more. I prepare me to come out your mouth. Samson and Verna water. I don't pay what Bobby. Yes, in Subanum, or your part 2 year, you best serving you. If you are over best out, serve your Musu and Casabanum be. Who took quite opaque so dear, Nina Verna water. And in Suba could be a year to Wakana. The party said, Bibia, oh, yet not insure a woman, a Verna water. Oh no man, yes, oh no man, a boy man is already already near fresh. Since the doctor Fresh said they be a one so 8 glasses of water. 8 glasses there next on your Verna water no bought by 6 are okay. A day. Don't say the pediana fresh. Come up, if you also be fine. You know Verna water. Almost will cry more. And our friends so not tontina. Yes, they said ready. I'm meeting the and I said be I need John Papa T74 a immune booster. I am mandatory of fear, Obio fear, Biano, Pebia, but T74 ni be. San says, my immune system, and so, and so boost the immune system. No, San said, Edumana do of Fiana Yaze. I bet sorry on a power crowd, sorry and sorry. San said, Pediana, Batunya T74, a tontina, no, now Ubu Bobia, Obosa, wild taint, or sorry, Bejuma. And that is what I mean. A Cajuan can make campum. And come on, but as I said, I wasn't chat anymore. Damn, you be some sana. Kwame, one of T74 ni be. Sampa on our casabano. I mean, Bobby. Ni teacher, she, ni tiba, kumi, no, kuna. Me, and I'm about my baby. What's that upon him gone the newspaper review? Come in, Yaba. But T74 Dharma. Why am I tea now upon Sumetana? Idea good, Musta Meba. If you are Biabu Bobby, if you quarry more, Zigimo Cobanyan, a T74 immune booster. Bebuama, the Pediana, Jan and so. I think what to me, I call Abba. I want to say, I see a young Swede, good Musamba. I say, I can come from a Timino. Headed by Zachary producer, Area Kweku Boateng.
no. You know what happened?
Then Inverticable.
Yeah.
Samsona, Nana Kofi Okori Achiman.
Jimmy.
Gideon Into, The Boy, Ziggy. Dante.
Last check one.
Nana Odamia.
One tower pass, man. Strong defender.
Solid lady.
Rest side of the ball.
So, pa.
We freeze the time on.
I don't know, you know, I was on the idea.
Wanna baby.
Right now, I don't watch about Tampa.
Nana,
I saw a body, I'm busy. I go here.
Samsona, Ghana Blasters. Yeah,
I was Esther, assignments. Oh, I said, you man, sanity. Can you? One near cow, you need time, say, can you buy a cow woman? No, DJ, what the MCR, Popo, Juma, come out, Facebook, and Koya, a DJ, what but a solid guy, making sure say they be a Facebook in them. Now, things no. Yeah, me Baba Akuffo. Producer extraordinaire. And then some me Bobby the Benina, no, actually a good crata so. Amereba, Kate Brown, solid guy.
It's a frame on the beat.
We near the Kelvin Amponsah Addi, call me a kid, a boss player. And you know, Sunny, I and the SN, no, yeah, the man and some napa. The moment son, no, young Kona Finson, young Koji, a boy from Cartom, right? Pa, a man and some ebetuaso.
Tontonte yennom nsane e fadwen ne e fadwen mpa say na nananum say brebi beba ama tontina 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esi nananum dodo so say de na dodo bua ama nananum enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebo anipadua no e mo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho denden tontina 74 yi nso yaye no se nsuo krokro kama enti baby a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tontina 74 amenya hoodin mennom ne dabia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoodin ni apomuden ko a wokọ pharmacy ana baby eto nno bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a mfie dumienu eto phone free 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkratoi atom
OneXBet jackpots na landio alande na watch bia na chedio yenya ni so betwa wo bet for sports game bia so na obetumi dinkuni register with onexbet.com.gh na use promo code jackpotghana na twa bet OneXBet ye nkunim die ho safo OneXBet who say nkunimdifo gambling ho atru ntitwa ne wahwe ye nyema wa wundi mfie duo game commissioner Jinka to we atum Fufuo festival Jack for how many now to baby na yen copy pono so Okoman Radio 97.1 2023 Akropong-Akuapem Odrano for the first time Okoman Addi Fufuo festival no Edinburgh Akuapem nyina ebeye de style bi remember na kai say fufuo no eye free you hear eye wankasa wasanka dwumadi nyina beba so ewo eye shoe fabric animu ha Akropong-Akuapem on the 1st of October 2023 ebrano eye anopa no watwe till you drop Bibiani na pese bia woni mpanyfo twetwe nkomo ana pese to stand na wankata do ton ne ma bia betimi ni mpanyfo twetwe nkomo e wo 0559012454 0559012454 ana say 0246246875 0246246875 fufuo bramieni fufuo style bia
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado.
Fancy and fun and income. And so Vantuja and from a team for Besha said they're free the total African Cup of Nations qualifies synonymous and name 1 game better jump and to know our Honor game to Jano and so any Libya and so net Jaffe and so Tripoli now friends no 7 p.m. on the Bobo friend Equatorial Guinea and so at the Abani na sa group no Okona Ukotrim and somehow Jono and a costo sa group no prepare me the group in some no and so no ebe bauko piemo and so no our AFC Asian Cup under 23 na some matches no and so do na and ebe costo and never no pay but matches in be costo sanso de bin so costo Singapore and Yemen ebo Malaysia and so Bangladesh and so no eba so far about first half ubia entimi fabo ento no nyon kwatina mu United Arab Emirates UAE and so China ebe sanso na Chinese Taipei and so Turkmenistan and so no betumi abo Iran and Hong Kong ebe Vietnam and Guam ebetumi ade abo ni Cambodia and afen so no Lebanon and so ebe na sa give me pa Cambodia and Lebanon ebe yere pa Thailand and so and Philippines ebe Uzbekistan and Afghanistan and so about Syria and Oman, Iraq and Afghanistan, Macau, about Bahrain and Afghanistan, Palestine, about Laos and Australia, Saudi Arabia and Mongolia, about Kuwait and East Timor. As well as Jordan and Brunei and Afghanistan, Japan and Afghanistan, my friend Pakistan and anyway AFC Asian Cup and 23 there and also yari to jam and so that yama yati for an international friendly so and also do one because to Syria and Malaysia about Sansuna my friend Bulgaria. And soon be Jana Kono and Austria and Saudi Arabia na 18 airport. There's a match so no do one and so ebetume wuram and so na wa yede ba Malta and afin so no Gibraltar and so the beboni yede san komano and so the atuja and so na timi yede ma obia o adwuma de nsa kosia for yete obia ne akwanim na adwuma de no and so na entimi anya kama and so na ona sam tane tia na san ye maintain no na afin so yetimi akwanim de nsama wodo no nsa etoja and so no ewe bibrem na sem nyama wodo no and so timi kosima me wuram and so no our transfer story soon we send Chebia Manchester United. It's me Cosania Brantia friend Sofian Amrabat from Fiorentina Branton Anwata unveiling that me Costa Branton just in number 4. I know any other man on Tenena Brantia friend Phil Jones the just in man yachi Eddie man Sofian Amrabat Branton Sono Ebaba says Justino Eddie Manchester United reporter Banichram Sanrata a brand new Branton in Charanya training here that say now so epra and I saw Branton one and also ready to draw and so na my ete Fontin Sofian Amrabat just in my focal pima Manchester United let's say United Popo the Red Devils no at me decide just in the man but I wonder young Connie and Lionel Messi come on Lionel Messi and come up a Branton and Ata on sound no Adidas and a sponsor no South say ban entire shame ni boot or the Popo nyana Adidas until joining me live on Facebook Ubo say Messi Adi and Tower new boot Adidas for to my pound to my and my Lionel Messi now you see boot Adidas pound to man that's inspiration sitting in every World Cup anymore World Cup Messi etimi kwachi and Adidas for the inspiration if him at the bottom there you put into Facebook for them boot no be say come white and a 291 no gold and I feel so no yade a goat a symbol no as a papo ni tino yade to boot na chi and I feel so yade stars no na say me ensada ha ana me ensada na say betwe a Ballon d'Or na and I feel so no FIFA player na say Branton din do it stars no nsia me ensada left boot no and me ensan so at right boot no I feel so no number 10 no so no area to right boot no 91 man I feel so na no na say goat na punch no opportunity na gasa eta one Adidas for no Lionel Messi so ne boot no and also metimi na ya dia banner for Adidas logo no and so down kama boot no dia tinia f pa min chedan who bid that boot no white na sea blue na mu na fe so no eto no ye no ye gold ankasa we no nya fichire de bia o na say inspiration no if you work up my message so Adidas for and so describing said the GOAT and the greatest of all time no and also they put Lionel Messi here sang command and so na bana Urem was spinner. You see the Spanish Federation, and so they betu just say, Ababawa, and I say, coach, your friend, George Vida, only say, and the Timiko J, World Cup at the spinner, mano, na Mamina Casa, or see, a best FIFA, and I feel so the Spanish Federation is Papa, your friend Luis Rubiales, on Spanish, FN president, and Kabaya, and Manua, paying for Pamano, and Fenfresan, Papa, and Yama walk up and I said, and Fata, I'll be played then Aquafina, no touch us here. Papa Penyamu, na Amanfo Addi trophy, na Yaniatia, watch your bayo, Afina, any idea. Now, you see, Chima, coach in Australia, and Spanish Football Federation in Manua. Amon Pamon, Papa, friend Luis Rubiales, and I may say, Sabi, where I am Fatu, Nanka, Keto Quacofiano, you see a Pamono, Effin and Pamono, Effin, one Pamono, Tino, a bad thing, tell you, Fifam, Nafiva sanctions, Amra, International Luis Rubiales and Coma, yet I took your Papan Cofiano, Ponia, Ankoye, and so no football, where the sun coming in, and so they are to jar, and so they might tip for young Remo Arsenal, Kache, striker Fanu, Addi in Katia. When sa Brenton and come Ghana for the donor, and Shenim San Kobeba, na face what we say kind of more mine Ghana, the Black Stars and all reporting about England squad, Namani call Euro qualifies, and no Brantia Addi in Katia, Nitinia Kauna, Brenton about Bontia Bacasa, or in Chiremu Edia Pass, on a dear, when I say we don't cheddar and ye who be a sort of say no 2 options, either sober Bama Ghana and I say England, no son England and Watana, England and Watano, into a draining in Aqua Brunia, Satia say, it was same when and cheddar and ye be our choose to stop England, and ya debut, I have no options, I have only option there, but no options, either Ghana and I say England. And what chooses about England? It's when and how be and cheddar, Nimusa, into Amanfo Nyabotre, and so no, and Famano, and then come Addi in Katia, and so no, Etmin, Edia Tuja, Yediama, Yatia, from but what up from Italy squadra, almost no, Edia Pano, Yafatusuna, Yendimun, Komaga Crab. And so, and Famano said that Jews of Italy, almost some squadra, I'm going to qualify Cinnamon, and so any goalkeeper, no, Amianu. And nine goalkeepers here, 9 goalkeeper friend Donnarumma, and so no PSG Sansona Merit Ewomu, a Brantia friend Provada, and I feel so Vicario of Tottenham. Now say where goalkeepers and here, Yediomoko, Italy national team now catch no matter say and so Euros qualifies and Ascentinum. Now say what the Odobato Sona come on Facebook defenders in the Brantia friend Alejandro Bastoni, Nawum, Sansona Biragi, Brantia Casale, Damian Matteo. Manchester United former player no Euram De Lorenzo Di Marco, a Brantia friend Mancini, Afe Romagnoli, a Brantia friend Scalvini, and a friend Spinazzola, and also no and so no Etume our squad in my Yadi San Comano, and so at the partner midfielders in Nicola Parella, and so no Sansuna Brantia Cristante, Fratesi, Locatelli. A Brantia friend Manuel Pellegrini, Sansuna Pesina, and a Fensono Tonali, winning me for them, Italy for, and so Nadia qualifies Cinnamona strikers and forward to Federico Chiesa, Sansuna Brantia friend Nonto, Ciro Immobile, Politano, Raspadori, Ratigui, Anafensono, Zakani, a Brantia friend Nicolo, Zanuolo, winning players and the Azuris of Italy, and so met me the grammar, media coach, and so to me the squad, and so the pack, come on, Yan so yeah, to jam, and so that they might say for now, I'll be Celestia of Argentina, when some squad, at me up, Yansimo and Famatia. Goalkeeper and as a Brantia friend Lucas Acosta or Poca Juniors, Lucas Fortasiro, and also San Lorenzo, Lautaro Yanes, El Poca Juniors, Jeromo Almeida, America Di Sol, and so Emmanuel Corvalan, and also them our Argentina, Enzo Baez, and so Etme woman as Yadinina. and so by Bewram na first year squad no na yɛde ne nyina de atucha enso no atimi ade ama ɛwɔnesa fama no sini ade abara brepam yɛde bɛba ntini yɛmfiri hɔ na yɛnku anim wada yɛnku anim na dwumadie no entumi ntoa so ensɛm fama ma menkɔpie mu nsɛm foforɔ mu na yɛmfa san nkɔmmɔ no ntoa so mfama deɛ na sɛ yɛmfiri so no yɛnku anim na yɛndi nkɔmmɔ baako mmienu enso no ɛwɔ hɔnom mfama dwumadie no so ɛne kɔpie mu wɔ Manchester United katia ɔmo so no atumi no 25-man squad at the pam. Let's say Champions League no squad at Manchester United at the core and so near 1-2 the next welcome. I say end of term third term exams no. Ya bu boss na 1-2 the next worry. So what them and in here Sophia na part. Okay, we press okay. Sounds na Aita Bayinde on your goalkeeper. Abrante friend Casemiro. Diego Dalot. Anthony. I don't know what's that baba. Christian Eriksen, Bruno Fernandes, Abrante Freno, Victor Lindelof, Ramos Highland, what striker na by Casemiro in here na. Tyro Malaysia, Anthony Martial, Leandro Martinez, and Lisandro Martinez, Andre Onana, Facundo Pellistri, Sergio Reguilon, Rafael Varane, Johnny Evans, Tom Heaton, goalkeeper, Scott McTominay, Luke Shaw, Marcus Rashford, Mason Mount, Aaron Wan-Bissaka, Jadon Sancho, and I feel so best player ever in Manchester United currently. A brand new friend Harry Maguire. Let's say Maguire I've ranted Obiawa, Biom, and 2025-man squad at Manchester United. And so to my register for the Champions League. And so officially, I don't know much media about pointing. I'm a member Inter Milan. I'm in Como. Yes, coach, a friend Simone Inzaghi, who himself last season. The modern Bokon can Papani Copiemo Champions League grand finale near Jadia. Italian Serie A, and so I can Jadia Mano. Reporter, in seconds, Papana signed 2 years contract. And so let me the Interpobokona. And also to acquire coach Eddie Made Interpobokono. Fia Nekopim June 2025. No. Coach friend Simone Inzaghi onu sending ani Philippe Inzaghi na se papa ndi coach no wa funny serious onu so no come no yatimi dia tucha enso na timi dia mai tie for ma menwuna mo tennis na men kodi tennis nkoma kakra enfem free enfam na Novak Djokovic yase papa na timi awura mu the 47th men's Grand Slam semi-finals. That's the semi-finals Grand Slam now. Semi-finals, no, wakoma 47. Our honor, that's and also I don't know our partner no that on a Abrante friend Taylor Fritz and the point here. And also na for that corner still set in the choir 6-1 6-4 6-4. That's a 3 straight sets, you know. Abrante friend Novak Djokovic. It me no on Abrante so rum. Our grand finale now. The grand finale, the record Cassia per 24th Grand Slam title. No, upon etimachi. One man I said weekend and I said now we ram not since about the 25th Grand Slam. And so now I said Novak Djokovic, you know, on also Serbian international and common. And so I don't know I said not against Taylor Fritz, you know, I 6-1 6-4 6-4. A brand tennis so qualify Copiemu. Oh yeah, grand finale. San Comano sono yet to media tucha and so na diamana Alejandro Garnacho come up. You see a Brentiano nidia Copiemu baby. Na Brent nidia Copiemu baby no. And it's Sanka, you see. Now you phone be with Manchester United and now come up say Garnacho ni didn't make Champions League squad no. Yes, squad ye ni your squad A and squad B. Now B no. Ona na Garnacho din ewo na so no mu we option na say I say United technical team no obi a na dwenkyere ye we na we do account na dia na you say Akufo gakraba but you say nyem penfo tuma so ano a ano so san komo ni nyama tumi ayi dia fru say list ni liki list A and list B na Garnacho din wo na sanka the first official list ni dia omo je ni din e dia from answer one ne nkoma abeto chabad Abrante Donny van der Beek. The one thing we boy you one thing Abrante no so ni din and come Manchester United squad omo de call Champions League no enso emunti Man U come on no enso eno no Barima me wura mo PSG you see PSG come on no and say Abrante friend Renato Sanchez onu so akopiem wo aye Roma akwakwesi akan ne atia honom na you see initially ni clauses are na contract no say after the loan deal no mandatory buy option clause no na say Abrante no na enka ho so tia say sanka bolo ni obeba PSG but PSG for na say Abrante no bakura na or return to side na entara nya den emfa etiene amukwa amend clauses no na say mandatory Abrante no opposite number of games every Roma mupo ne mo konkan yo ankonkan yo mo beto na ho ntia no se ne nkoma efa Renato Sanchez ho anso yere atujwa anso no atimi ama etifo bitin Roma na afen so no so man come na Jordan Anderson ya se no ada mu kopie mo Saudi Arabia on se brebi atwam Henderson to England no etobe say LGBTQ dey obi right na dia obi right na dia na Abrante no so akopie mo Saudi Arabia mo si account so mo so dey omo so nsam so na ya see LGBTQ group bi on England sorry tia Jordan Henderson say na nyewu na captain Liverpool captain England na say abiri na do nyina wo ya afa uta ya chi na obi na right ana na akopie mo amanya omo so no na say wa yama ya see group na dwa omo say nche protest pa omo be yet ya Jordan Henderson na onim say Henderson squad England ba run so kan ho na omo game ken no mo say sa game no just say Jordan Henderson jibon pe ya no mu huro no ya say Judas wa yama it's LGBTQ mo dem to grow mo di agro be World Cup no LGBTQ group no omo say Jordan Henderson o ya say wa jioma makura papa no so ma dwa no anso na wana ne nkoma anso no atimi atotwa ya nso no yede ama yetiefo na Liverpool for signings no onu sa fiom ye for signings na ya say official secure dom on afi na pabonten tie ya o say Liverpool spend ni Alexis McAllister omutua 40 million pounds at my Brighton. Ryan Gravenberch from Bayern to Liverpool omutua 45 million euros at my Bayern. Wataru Endo also from Stuttgart omutua 20 million euros. And after Dominic Joboslai from Leipzig to Liverpool omutua 70 million. Na the man Leipzig na is Abrante ni Dominic Joboslai and so no etimi pae enti anonso enono onum na players ni bia ye jom kra e dey feel Liverpool no eni mu a wanti om kase transfer na mu yimu bade ye om asen konya dadada eni Fabinho de onum so okọ Henderson ekọ Naby Keita okọ James Milner okọ Chamberlain ekọ na akwada ye friend Carvalho talk akwada weso anu last season be di agora ni ade a so much China Leipzig but any dia no loan onko bokakra awa ye Leipzig nombra nyemo no Atomelo Barcelona fani fi Grêmio na Xavi ni ade a ya ji enu so ko piemo ni Juve na mfa ba Liverpool ono so no ya se ye jano kwan yes on komra ye jano kwan kura ade film awa ye Liverpool and so akatinti anonso anen komono seni sifa etia yede ama yetie for but Barca eja Brantier friend Abdemu ade ama eye bowo kre friend Robertis Abdem Moroccan International unwa no musa fupon ko no sa fe na yesi Barca ti we omode ma Abdi and Betis enie Betis assign no deal no 7.5 million euros 2 years but option to buy back clause no ewom deal no de amaton no 7.5 million but option to buy back and as a buyback clause no dey assume until after 2 years Barca omopa boye den esamoton no edma Barca e deal no mu sanso na Barcelona enso no se omokoto buyback na sika we for bebo no Betis bebo no 50% pay na Barca betua ti oba no say 10 million na Barca betua 5 million pay no esim sanso Barca for nyanza kro no omuni mbozi obi bia enti anonso ano ye club on statement amonso no etimi area aba bontia yere ama etie for bara mami fancy Our Ballon d'Or, yes, and nominees no list no ebe babontin ne ana nominees list no ebe babontin into 1-2 player dia na also no afa wadwen Ballon d'Or yes trophy Ballon d'Or trophy ne de ene trophy a uyi World Cup fu efe Ballon d'Or ne de say Messi agent dodo agent 7 afi ka 8 30th of October Paris France ene no awards no ebe koso Messi to America was returning to Paris. No akwaje. No wasan aba. But you see enne on the drive no the update no beba. 1-2 player there you say list no but any player be adi na be kom. No so. But Golden Boy Awards no enso be koso. So far 3 players no mo di aba bonten. Ba ku ne leadi, ba kwa na beje. Jude Bellingham could about 75% of the votes. I say omato. Abrante Jamal Musiala Edinye wom say the other time no e fa no ma Gavi so deserve it. Say report and say 70% and I say 75% of the votes no aba no ni nyina akọ e de ama Abrante fe Jude Bellingham and for me deserve it say obeje nti anonso eno no yemfa man na de nsi yemfansi na yemeto aso enso no e wo fie na nkoma na ana wo fie ano so no ya de beba awo jumadi so can see one expert Vera Watana fin so Tontina 74 ekwan a ano so no ya de amana ne nkoma no enso no etumi ebre awo jumadi no eso enti no emfa entwa umbra na embefa efie de no.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Erunti yadi wadoka hwa, enije ka hwa, yadi ereshe mwa. Ese yadi wadoka hwa, enije ka hwa, yadi ereshe mwa. Ebe yefe. Onyagude. Since the days of Baba Yara, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abeta Saki, we've been there.
All right, into Yamra Fee, anybody fee, come on, somehow don't know, and I will fear my men shall see. And from the senior national team, the Black Stars of Ghana, Onu Somuchina, Akono, Yambo Echina, El Kumasi, Papa Yara Sports Stadium, we at the Total African Cup of Nations qualifiers. Next tournament in the next year, our like Cote d'Ivoire, and also because we're net team, another team, to me touch it down. El Kumasi net training, because of press conference, and so because of bad news. I'm in second and sa branch friend Joseph Pinto, and I don't know to me prayer, and yadia, and then no China Kimono, or bet my bobby in paying form, and so to me, at the next squad in the on also aircraft back to Belgium. Now, Fins Wakwa, now Kwakwaji, Irish, and then come up. But my Joseph Pinto, if you know, I see me report, I'm in second, and it's a branch dear friend Abdul Fatah Isayaku, and paying for Tonsa Afreno, so Umbra no me please. A brand your friend Joseph Pinto on Facebook, no, we say Joseph Pinto, brand doctors and I share on S and 9 uncle, no, on and then what touch my I'm paying for a to remove Facebook. Now, question Joseph Pinto, brand doctor and 20 reporting and say, winger friend Abdul Fatah Ishayaku, your tons our friend from Leicester City, say Omra, now may replace our brand here. Your friend, Joseph Pinto, NT, and also no Thomas Tepaten, Ramadan and Comadamao, Sabrantiano, Arsenal for the scan reporting about Bontinsa 6 weeks. A brand friend Thomas Tepate, on Sonia, the Obit Majamasia, kind of the Black Stars of Ghana, and our friends on Arsenal. A brand and a picky injury in 6 weeks. Now, watch Marco, Ensia, ɛnyɛ ade abrante friend Thomas third party ɔno nso no obetumi asi akan ɛde ama Black Stars team no anase ɔman konko Ghana ɛno nso ɛne nkɔmɔ ɛno nso no atotwa yɛde ɛma yɛtiefoɔ so far players a ɛtumi areporte ɛnso no camp no ɛnso no enie na ɛsɛ yɛnwura mu no afei nso no yɛmfa ɛma mo ɛnso no ɛwɔ ɔde na ɛsɛ goalkeeper ne deɛ de Lawrence Statistiki ɔno nso ɛtumi areporte wɔ camp saa nso na goalkeeper ɛfrɛ no ɛyɛ Abdul Manaf Nuruddin ɔno nso areporte ɛwɔ camp goalkeeper ɛfrɛ no Richard Ofori ɛno ata aberanteɛ no ɛnso ɛtumi areporte wɔ camp a ɛno nso no yɛde ama yɛtiefo defenders no ɛnso ɛnie defender ɛfrɛ no ɛyɛ Alexander Jiku ɔno nso no ɛtumi areporte wɔ camp saa nso na aberanteɛ yɛfrɛ no Joseph Eidu wɔareporte wɔ camp Aludi Seidu ɔno nso ɛtumi aba ɛnso no ɛwɔ Abdul Baba Rahman ɔno nso areporte Gideon Menta areporte ɛwɔ camp Nicholas Opoku ɛnso no areporte ɛwɔ camp a ɛno nso nkɔmɔ no yɛtumi ɛde ɛma the professor Dennis Otoy ɛnso no ɛgyinam ɛwɔ hɔnom yɛnwura mu ɛnso no ɛwɔ yɛ midfielders no sei na ɛteɛ midfielders no ne Elisha Owusu from Oze ɔreporte saa nso na Abdul Salis Samed ɔno nso ɛtumi areporte ɛnso no ɛwɔ camp aberanteɛ a yɛfrɛ no ɛnso no ɛyɛ Baba Idrisu ɔno nso ɛtumi ɛwura mu afei aberanteɛ a yɛfrɛ no ayɛ no Facebook ni adeɛ no monyɛ ne yie mfa nto so na plus yɛhu sɛ bibibia ɛnso na ɛkama on Facebook hɔnom na whether yes fa saa wei no ɛfa to so kama mame ɛwɔ Facebook hɔ squad no koraa wa na wode ato so na bibibia ɛnso no ɛtumi ayɛ kama ɛnso no ɛwɔ hɔnom na ɛsɛ midfielders no ɛnkɔmɔ no ɛnso no a yɛde ama yɛtiefo ma menwura mu ɛnso no ɛwɔ yɛ Andre Ayew nyina nso no ɛtumi ɛwura mu a bibia ɛnso no ɛyɛ kama Black Stars akachi na forward no ɛnso ɛnie Jordan Pierre Yu wawuram Inaki Williams aberanteɛ frɛ no Ransford Yeboah Konisdorfer ɔno nso ɛtumi areporte ɛnso no ɛwɔ campa saa nkɔmɔ no nyinaa yɛnso yɛtumi ɛde ama yɛtiefoɔ ɛnso no ɛwɔ Joe no so Jonathan Sowa ɔno nso no ɛtumi areporte ɛwɔ camp na ɛsɛ Jonathan Sowa ɛna the only local player ɔno nso no ɛtumi ɛbɔwura mu ɛwɔ yɛ Black Stars team no mo aberanteɛ yɛfrɛ no ɛyɛ Ransford Yeboah maka wawura mu ɛnso no ɛwɔ Jordan Ayew maka saa nso na ɛyɛ aberanteɛ ne din nso dede wawura mu ane no aberanteɛ frɛ no Daniel Ambrosius ɔno nso awura mu aberanteɛ ne din nso ɛde ɛyɛ Kudus Mohammed ɔmo nyinaa reporte ɛwɔ camp players ne nyinaa reporte ɛwɔ camp na saa nkɔmɔ no so no yɛtumi ɛde Barima menwura mu ɛnso no ɛwɔ yɛ nsɛm foforɔ wonim sɛ the Ghana Football Association ɛnso ɛde awards night ɛbɛto dwa ɛnkyɛ bia ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ na awards night no wei no ɛyɛ players of the season asɛ abasobɔde ɛbɛkɔ de ma best players a ɔmɔde mmɔ ɛkɔ nkan ɛnso no ɛwɔ season mu no mpanyinfoɔ de abasobɔ ɛnso no bɛtumi ɛde ama ɔmo MTN FA Cup Awards ɛbɛkɔ so ana afei nso no Premier League deɛ ɛnso no ɛbɛtumi akɔ so ɛne nyinaa no ɛyɛ nhyehyɛeɛ a the Ghana Football Association ɛnso ɛtumi ayɛ a yɛnso no yɛtumi ɛde ɛma yɛtiefoɔ ɛnso no ɛwɔ dwumadie no ɛnso ɛso ɛnti no okay na gye sɛ biribibia ɛnso no ayɛ kama okay ate aseɛ biribia ɛyɛ kama pa ɛnso no ɛwɔ hɔ ɛnti ɛno nso ɛno no na Ghana Football Association ɛne no nominations no ɛtumi aba bɔnten ɛwɔ hɔ na sei na ɛteɛ yɛwɔ best goalkeeper saa nso na ɛyɛ goal of the season discovery of the season coach of the season best player of the season ne nyinaa no ɛnso no ɛkeka hɔ na maame mbobɔ so ɛmfama best player of the season no nominees no ɛnie aberanteɛ friend Abednego Tete Bibiani Gold Stars ɔwom Vincent Atinga Mediama ɔwom aberanteɛ friend no Hafiz Wunta Konkoni ɔno nso no from Bechem United ɛne owuram ɛwɔ Tanzania ɔno nso esi akan ɛnso no ɛwɔ hɔ ɛde ma ɛyɛ Yanga aberanteɛ friend no ɛyɛ Michel Otu ana Michael Otu Lagos Cities ɔbɔ owuram Samson Eduku Tamale City ana afei nso no Jonathan Zowa of Mediama saa category ɛbɛyere pa sansa ɔhwɛ Konkoni ɔhwɛ Jonathan Zowa ɔhwɛ Atinga ɔhwɛ Abednego Tete ɛne Samson Eduku ɛne Michael Otu a ɛbɛyere pa biripam ebisa bɛdwafoɔ nyɛ nɛ bi afiada bisa mo ne obɛgye timuncha no nso sanso na goal of the season aberanteɛ frɛ no Abdul Manaf Nuruddin ne goal a ɔhyɛ ti Akropong no That's on sa volley bino. Yes, ya nominate. Sansuna Brantia, your friend Eric Zeze, Asante Koroko, any Diana Stars. Go no say no. Abrantia no sono. Yet me a nominate ni go no and sono ewo ho. Afe Basit Seidu, Accra Lions, and Mediama. Abrantia or say 4 goals. I was giving them the 4th goal no. Say Paul Kanta, Kati and that pa. Now Brantia they are towards them. And I think sono Samuel Kusi. And also Abra Mediama and I can find some airborne Abranton so long range power. And Abranton so to me say a nominated go discovery of the season, you know, and so name Rocky Jamina of Asante Koroko, Abrantano, SHS boy. Samson Derek Fojo Mediama, and I feel Abbas Samari of a year Accra Lions. No would have more met you. I met you near the idea that we need between Derek Fojo and Abbas Samari. I was soon dinner. Goalkeeper of the season, you know. And some more, but you will him. Senate here, Joseph Aidu, Adriana Stars, very tough. Felix J, Mediama, Lawrence Ansa, El Samatex, Sansona, Frederick Asari, Asante Koroko, Bajire, Papa. Felix J, Mediama, Joseph Aidu, Adriana Stars, Lawrence Ansa, El Samatex, Frederick Asari. And so now Asante Koroko. Coach of the season, no, any coach a friend Evans, Augustine Adote, Mediama, you nominating Samuel, Pakwesi, Fabian, and also you nominating and I feel Kasim, Mengo, Okansi, and so no LBT United. Yet me, I'm nominating Ewo. Now in him the entire nominate Karim Zito. Yeah, some and come anywhere. I'm fancy. Now, if you for any. More select near the idea. And see, and also, I don't know. Yam fe fear the NC, but a brand here. Ghana and somewhere, local stories, some more, but a brain in see, dear Edibesi, na Yakwaba, na Finsono, Yadiniakano, Abetuaso. Abranti awura ya freno Christopher Demenya onum so no ya Asante Koroko NCC chairman akasa so besere senior mo so besere mo nko register for abu sensor to nko sign up ho na be ma club no enyeska ti senior onya ya meka chinti Chris Demenya ana ono so eda so na ono so no o hwe no sa kama no anti ano so ano no na diso pentin come na media ba and so no ewo ho nti anonso eno no Rafael Jamina so okay no Rafael Jamina da so bobo ya nwa ya mema ne ya nwa oda so e bobo papa na Brantia no nanka timi wo mu Albania no na mu wini Albanian league no Partizani this season conference league kura no mu wom na dia na mu sinan ko mu Brantia din but amfa Chinyama Bakumienu Befema Amwa Ama Brantia Freno Rafael Jamina and me amba Brantia dear the bia ni dimba mitwana jam ya papa cause a striker no go set a moment abrabon sa that's it akuma yare no my yare akuma wonya sa you will be call fra but amene di bia be fine I mean bia be fine yam fa fi 70 na yanko twa ya homra ya ba finance wa ha Samson senior wa ha am sere ganya wa finance anche batene kan o mframem so de show chinchirinchi enso no eba manisi ma du na ya di show no nkomo kakra but answer na no yanko ji abo afon control emra
Tontonte yenum nsane e fadwen ne e fadwen mpa se na nanum se brebi beba ama tontina 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esi nanum dodo so se de na dodo bua ma nanum enyare basabasa no sa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebo nipadua no e ma immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho denden tontina 74 yin so ya ye no se nsuo krokro kama enti baabi a wonam bia wobetimi de wade akọ samene wo a ankefi na kroi eda no nkọ na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tonti na 74 menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ni apomuden ko a wokɔ pharmacy ana baabi eto nno bia wobenya tonti na 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fa afuro ana obi a ɔma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 05016289931 and 02460734998 FDA agi adwadie nkratoe yi atom
Ebusia, upese wokra ne emefre brochure e de bagana na. Ene efe ho asem bedom ANS. Wo 20 ana 40 footer container no. Ana eye left hand drive cars ena wopese wotono amanone. Emfa ho ba bi free bia. UK, Europe, USA, China, ana Asia. Se wo de bagana be bia ye de bebrel. Ebi na mposo ene wiemuhye mu ntino. Eba ne ntem dia, woni ha okra. Ye door to door delivery ne nso de. Na wotwe bia ye kra ne emefre UK ene Europe. Between 3 to 4 weeks na lande yembo nso de boko sawo eba custom nhihye yenso a yetimi ma wakwantre na ebia na wo de wo paso kakra bi na wo pen tentem de ayade 3 to 4 days ne ye de brel hihye ANS fo akira kwan ne wo Europe a wotimi frɛ ye Germany line no ewo +491 737 712 733 Ghana 0249 170 423 na UK so +44 790 80 27 527 ANS Trading Agency Limited yedemu fua
Usika seme nkoyi ana quick credit siasia se sika pe ennafom intina yabasa ye becheche wo yambosia bon hyehyɛ ye ho wutumi babosia edifi aso ye fee 1500 Ghana cedis edeko na nea wo hia ne wo national ID card wo hia se wo betu susu wo hia awowa ye ngiseke bia nto ho wo nsanso hia se wo ne ye bebue futuo bia quick credit ewo homao se ye dwa na wo pese wudi ana wo pese wo hye edwuma foforo ase ana se ye school fees ana po eyeye wo sumi edwuma ye fo nso ye wo bi mamo na mom kai se ye mobosua ewo internet so afenso omantic akrobia batan Bank of Ghana nsa wo dwumedie yi mu enti tutumri kana frɛ yen wo 0302 200 390 ana 0596 920 833 quick credit London made simple kai se dwumedie yi nhyehyɛ kakra wo ho Ayiko.
Me mamu nyina ayiko. Me magana for ayiko. Ya from me nana Kwame Perry. Ubetimi afrom the finest and meme nyina ka atwire ne me. Ayiko mre ye dwumadi ofofo bi kra eba wa kwemu e wo Okoman 97.1 radio so efiti joda ekosi fiada. Pramoto pepepe me kira mide ekosi 2 pm. Ya de nkomo mre bebro apomudin sem afe ye bedigwa na fe ya kansem ekoso. Omomudi omawoda ene me nche na me no enka na feferfe e wo radio so. Kayo eye ayiko no agye me se ye ya from nana Kwame Perry enemy share
carry another you know say I be complete man now you matter it for my mind
Okoman radio.
All right enzino yembre na yemedi nkomo ensono ofie na bedwafo atena se but you wait ensono emfemfi wona yemeto aso say kwa homa no so na yekodi nkomo because I Okoman 97.1 Global Sports and I no pay aso gusua utie no baranche on your radio, yes, your favorite station Okoman 97.1 enche enia na mafe ache, yes, enia na what's your baby girl senti true tia na say baby ewu edu awia na say anopa na otena se na okasa na say baby ewu no enche ubetisa ene no on radio so biem ni nyina ne say Nana Kwame Perry the finest, yes, and then so no we say the comeback and I say of Nana Kwame Perry, but he will still be on your radio very very soon. About it Nana Kwame Perry wa ha say we didn't convoke it to abi na musuma wa train watch na Monday next week tnasia the show no and so much me at na bia kama senior say bia kama no pay
yeah Charlie nyame gusu share so kakra.
Shirt your fit.
We da see.
Shirt your fit.
We da see.
Bibia boko.
Nyame adom. Nyame ene ye hwe no. Ono no ni mende ni machina asem. Asi mpu anepu. Oye dunsi esi kwa finfini bo abrefo. Buru ba seku asem pempem twere nso na basemu. Nadama. Me ho den se sisi kwa abrafo no.
Fantastic. Boy mo. The return of Nana Kwame Perry on our radio. Last week.
Yeah.
Listeners, I better be on our radio. And she said anything to say.
First of all, my minda, Mr. Michael Asari Bidiako, aka Papa Sari, minda nasi, minda board chairman, group CEO, Mr. Poco Benson, doctor, and entire staff, HA, betu mubio, minda musumu nasi for your reception. I would say, to God be the glory. With Jesus in the boot, we always smile at the storm. And you know, this time we are coming in a different style. Because with a different style now, it will be the same person but with a different flair. Since you are person every day in and out, you should have the full. You know, and now me mid morning china me we are and then but this time around juma dey dey ba no juma audio phone nyina you say about 12 o'clock ubia ko didi when didi a wo ebia business meeting bi ss wo rational question na ye hwe no na ss me ne adwumayefo ye bebo adwuma sonko radio so until from 12 to 2 p.m. Monday to Friday bia no omonim be share wa yuko so.
Okay, and see, I know on a show no.
Yeah.
And then PP.
Says your show no quit 3 segments for now. And segment 1, a jumum komo. There are vibes that goes on in the various working places. Yebeche obi wono mo di na woda. Onya kwenya da emfa wishi nipa no. Why busy cry ni refi no ho. Nti that very time the bema adofo sa kwenya no. It can be through text message or phone in. Na wabomodian wish you be happy birthday. And no cry no. Yebedigwa as usual. Yebedigwa na yapomodingwa yebedi NFA eba air construction other sectors na. Yebehwe ni nyina. But it's going to be a music inclined program. Kasa ne be less nyomo so be more. And so no, it's going to be a full pack program. Fire.
You are into entertain the people.
Yes.
You know, time brain.
Oh, nyampa. Seni amiba ya. Ajim fefe but just some farming call ye busy one. Normally we wa hire call. Say your call. Akuffo answer no show so am chiano. That's right. Enti ne woman say nyampa Monday ya be start
say Monday
nyampa ya be shase ewo Okoman 97.1 to 12 to 2 p.m. bia no ayiko mre ayiko adwumayefo nyina me momo ayiko carpenter for mason for bibiara ayiko.
Fantastic. Enti I know Nana Kwame Imperi I don't know but my memoir kono fans no I feel then I find out local show.
Nya metimi aka cho mu nyina na say empire bona na omuguso a omobo ede mami baby ameko bi omudi mechi no I keep telling them say I'll give them nothing but the best and I'll never disappoint them. Send your mojide wo mi say metena se me mo anije no mekoso a hye mukina na abribiara ni a omanfo ne pe no my mom rather than to do what pleases me. And you know, me don't mean say especially Akropong-Akuapem na they keep checking up. Hey, if almost time in Kaba kumi enu baby no if course na no ya but obia from every Accra baby biara baby am fans bia obia no ni American say me do bia say.
And so, yeah, was say Mbabeka and send out a fantastic show. and so no Eddie break you for Zano pay. And I said some Monday.
Are you cool? No, I just say yeah.
And so no now Kwame Perry and I feel what's in and come Kakra was a Monday. Yes, are you cool Jumedino and so best here on Okoman radio and say Fiano Park 10 compim say and I fee area 12 at the call no over Nana Kwame Perry car. So no so no Emma are you cool nedge my phone or Gigi Tata and so no at me at the Yako fee any you so near the idea auntie I don't know I'm paying for senior on to her Sansona Kwame said and so our ha na somehow draw any barber share ever ho na I'm paying for Aquaba. I'm sure same friend free Kwame. I'm say BBI come.
Why the other room? BBI come. We're marking present in tea. In Canadian secondary issues.
Okay. Sounds so senior say BBI fine.
Okay.
BBI come.
BBI did them.
I see BBI did them come.
Okay.
I say I did change it. Na yeti mi akoyo nyuma so na ya sia ba ye nyuma so de. Ye kwane ye ba na you be na sia ye de yan ba ye de. Nyame ayi bi.
Okay. And then I but the young Kwame so na kodi nkomo we amfan fiwo onum se na no ana hat to folk akra to folk and so no etumi fin kan abepie mu e opue antemu na mo opue antemu no o man ko ba bia se kofuria e ho ana hat to folk and so wa pre-season no eguso ekoso no mbo mu adwa mo guso eye mo pre-season any ade and sanka eye Douglas o man so Douglas and eye I had to folk NCC communication member Eastern Region communication no adama to folk no a member ewa man so na menene nko na yenkodi enkomo emfanfa eye had to folk ehun Douglas bibia come on pay memo akwaba emfamra Okoman radio so
inia mejo so anope bibia kama bibia so de na kwam samu so mo ho ye de
oh nyame atom ne mo pai bo bibia fine ewa ha
de nyame ko ponse inia
Douglas me misawo enei yenim start to folk abepie mu abapue mantemu Eastern Region na eno etisen yebesi ehun hyehyɛ a ɛwɔ hɔ hat folk bepie mu no yenim sɛ ni nyina egina mo so Eastern Region NTC ɛna ade mo ana yesi egina mo so team no ahwɛ mu ɛne ade mo bebi mo akɔ training ɛne ade nyina mo kɔ mo organize fans ɛde ahwɛ mu nyina yenim sɛ mo so ɛna egina hat to folk team no mo wo ka me omo sen ewo koferia
inia mechi obibia na machi nkofo anu omo ewo studio hono na machi hat to folk fans bia football loving fan bia obisaya ampa am say hat to folk team no ebedru Monday no na team no ba be touch down koferia na ikusia team no fefefe ewo omo hotel omo da nti efi hono omo start omo ye recovery process ewo swimming pool nti ami adom bia ye kama ihia omo me bibia de to akwa mu nyina na de to na akwa mu team no she training na se ami adom am se Monday no Tuesday ana team no she training ase ewo All Nation Park now all nation all nation one of the university for the say omo pitch no is so good very 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 good and am say any na kan obi na pedifo hwe ya omo de ba ha omo ebe mo hwadwa wa ha say no isi team no kama team ni she training ase na players no all of them baby with the exception of Kasara na am say na ne odin ne papers ho you ko kakra enti training no e sha ase kama ama bibia ko so anopa o mo she anwure o mo ye training kama bibia enti enra enso training e ko so ama anopa no nyina e ko pie mu honom o she supporters a e be pie mu anopa na eso wani and say catch supporters a buy a be PM a be body team no so kama nti enyume so training as akoso e ma bibia ye kama am say ne
and she said I want to say nyame adoma no pay team no ye training aye shake up kakra nyame adoma e bot 3 House of Folk needs to be a friendly match or Nations Park honoma and she say na e hono no say nyame adoma 3 o'clock match ho House of Folk against Supreme and after so nyame adoma Friday so team no ebesabo another friendly match against Vision FC. Vision FC. And I'm saying she say ya e wo hono no. Na the team say the team ni via team ni be free has Sunday akwa Accra. Na team no. And se bibia answer Sadia and Nations FC ebobo e wa Accra Sports Stadium. Omo fi ho a ombesa back to Koforidia. Now my betwa preparation so ahead of the new season. The team will be free here now or they are called Tamale and the RTU. That will be the first opener for the league no. Now BBI come and see so far so good. And she say yeah, House of Folk they are to and the preseason koso hano. I'm so Bekaya. Yes, the preseason national team shall say Bobby Man. And it's one of the best facilities and the House of Folk. And now to be so the board chairman na or the Amayano. And your football we share tennis court, basketball court. And the facilities are a war Pubimano Minia Eswani. You be dampen fast. Wakunya kesi omodia mayen and she say omodia mayen. Edu maybe na House of Folk ni yesere. There be ansani ya training. Eja ubi facility ukwagia. Time open or the bema. But then House of Folk etimi enya ye dia. Na se say e dampen fast woni omodia mayen. Enti team ni training e wo Pubimani nyina no. On say hu behia say team ni be ko away matches. Enti ne say almost so e ba na the away feeling no afi no musu ehu enti so beside ya me am say so far across the folk ebe PM wo PM antemu no Kofodua no so far so good and ma ekoye e de matem.
Okay now mama kwada supporters na no menim say aya supporters no demand a lot from the club and as the team itself again na mo hwe nim say this season had to folk team no ebeye our Premier League ni.
Yo me na me da say am say supporters ye man senka team ye sase na ye win sa ye se obi a say football no enyoma asesa and they said ye preparation no sanso na other teams no eye omo pre-season the American supporters ne say omunya abotre matim no me de me de mani hu ene de nyoma ekoso ewo team no no we wani daso say nyoma bekoye chen last season nyoma ebekoye na ye supporters no say the mpanifo ato players amayen good facility then nyoma pa ekoso House of Folk no supporters no ye ni excuse pia say ye beko stadium ni akọ see team no up na more players na who say we are part of them or only players na edim komo a anytime biana supporters even the training grounds go supporters na o hwa nkeka ene anigi a omudi gina pitch ne so no it says say ye nyina ye ka bom na yakọ Accra Sports Stadium na yakọ support team no akọ tie team no apa me fi say ade a team no ebobo no modern this season.
You know, said definitely team no ba mo ja on kwama yen hihye bi a mo be ja on kwan kama pa amon because you say club no dey supporters na mo kura team no enkakra so ma be dey mo kwa mo ja on kwan kama won
me am say team ni be pie mu no entotoya RCC and chapter 33 any House of Folk supporters are e wo Kofodua emwa omode eboa no it's enu na mama convince say this time around, no supporters, no, we are ready to support us. We are ready to support the team. We are ready. Say, Beboa, Yena Natubi, na team no enkankono. Aye krabeshe. Supporters no edia bano. Ene the chapter 33. Ene has to folks fans are Akuffo no. Minia eswani na if said team no so no omani agye mpanifo edi animu eba ye no omani agye papa with a kind of a supporter omo receive from House of Folk fans and the chapter 33 ni RCC I work for Diana and Eastern Region and say eswani papa minia.
NCC, my member was so now you say more current various elections and a reorganization of NCC or the various districts and in Kuaudono so I know so far I could say
and so far so good yeah a shame influencer and she say be am penifo e dey babiano and say omo de ba betuja the penifo de betuja ye be ma opien so aswat she say o go be a elections one there and say penifo and che plano omo de ho she say e ba betuja.
All right. Douglas, Mamo Akon finally in summer etwa na Mamo Akon nim say achina na if you ada nyina betima di nkomo e dey afa team no omo matches a ombe mbare ne no summer obekam e dey etwa na Mamo Akon.
Linia the American etwa to ne say Mesre has of folk supporters. Last season and say o share the attendance was stadium na enye encouraging. Ye besre say this season there Bia a torch Pia will last in piano, Yanfantueti. And you may be a Metumaka piano, Yanfantueti. Now this is way homeworking, baby Pia will be ano. I mean, Atuma, a pen boom. Nay, a ditim nechi. Nay, a bompire type to nechi, at the type place netia. If you say Numa Ebekoye at the Mayan, a sunset, and Numa Ewono. Now, first, my country has to folk supporters be in and around. I will Eastern region be an friendly match for her. Namia Duma Friday, friendly match for her. Namia Duma Sunday, and so across post stadium. Yanko, Nianko tight team next. She said, you the support and the empire bought a tight team next year. And then who know, if he said this is in the year, you 1 year back. Accra so for the yes supporters no yen so penifo yo mo de no yen so nye yes ye afi no na bibia wo bia no oba Akufo and na obe hwebia am say obohu o players a o pese penifo asan emu nyina no bia wa ha no aba be hu omu wa be hwe omu modern force timinua amase libre ene akonya kese amode amamia say na yen kasanche Accra so for support football fans nyina no
Douglas, yes, yeah, that's papa. Yamisha on swim, Mr. Bripem, Yatun Safrewa, and some out there one on Sono, Obama, so ati. All right, and you know, Douglas, Anna, Otin and Kano, or no, I had to folk NCC communication member, our Eastern region. Only said Tim had to folk. I be Pim where Puman Temwa, I'm so at the preseason, you know, and so Costo Senna Douglas kind, and then. Game on boy China against Fiada against Vision FC and also no match or Mabona film you want to hey I want crying now I want so no to me the match and so no against Nation Service you want to me the match and but so far there as it stands now there team had to focus no and so no a year Kufuidi almost on the down buano egusua koso ha Bra Kwame ewa ha, Kwame Stedega ewa ha. You ever call Black Stars at the anymore. But quick one on Heart to Folk, Eastern Region, Toy, Douglas in some out on a two job. Neha Pano, na supporters are. So Heart to Folk boogie mamun to me and question it in the Eastern Region. It has definitely on bad the Duswa, Yanchada who supporters no. Oh, those are Chirimus or best supporters and say Duswa. Obiamra number support I has team now. Quick one on Heart to Folk, campaign or Kofuria.
Yeah, okay. I think it's the smartest move they can do to move out of your comfort zone, your confined area of Pubimai, Accra,
because has to focus a cry, you know, until ten be out if you out and crying. Supporters and so what chichi near day. Sometimes you need to draw closer to them, and then supporters in Benya Akwenya actually team no ho ahokeka or training grounds. Now if you want to imagine as well as oh okay, no quarry near ekoko so yi near dey nti na ma me very convinced say this time around. I'm obey de na am yet me. I spend any time the Inska Aqua team because there be a maker say it's not just a matter of going to the stadium to go and watch your team, but what are you going to watch? Because the memory system in my heading until the old tron capre. Between na wakutua gate fee akwa kojina wakohwe na ife ahokeka bia ni ho, there is no excitement. I think it's a bit demoralizing, you know. I think it's a good thing they've done. Say my team now are accessible. Emma, one hour Eastern region and around to have the opportunity to see the team, see what they are made of before Ansana, the day of reckoning of the league will come. I think on the whole, it's a good thing that they have done. I make us say sometimes it's not exciting going to even watch the Premier League because what are you going to watch? But say when your opportunity now, when you're acquiring now, team before competition during pre-season, Emma, you're very convinced. You say, oh, okay. I think there's a good football you are going to watch. And, you know, I think it's a good thing that they have done. Team now will be my and bringing the team out of their comfort zone to the Eastern region. I think it's a good move.
But Penny Ford at the Ghana Premier League opening games, you know, said also no at me area about that say that here only say Star Times na official media partner almost no you know, and he said that here on the 15th of February on the 15th of September, the best I'm going to Friday, Friday 15th, only say no chance here. RTU on to folk, you better on Friday. RTU on to folk, you better on Friday, 6 p.m. Our Liu Mama Sports Stadium, and I will be live on Star Times at the Park channel in Teneno and also Mon channel. So you had a live commentary about Bremo on Friday, 15th of September. RTU and I had to folk. The Saturday, 16th, Great Olympics, and a Bofakwa, Ebebo. Sanson as Saturday, no, a one game pen or Sunday, matches Ebeba in the Legon Cities, and in Carolina United, Abekoso Airwax Sports Stadium, 3 p.m. And Suatraman, and Bechem United, Abekoso our Akropong-Akuapem Sports Complex, 3 p.m. FC Samatex, any Adiana Stars, our in Century Sports Arena, 3 p.m. Brekum Chelsea, and Gold Stars, and Abekoso our Golden City Park, El Brekum, 3 p.m. Sunday, 6 p.m. Asante Koroko, our Babayara against Heart of Lions. Asante Koroko, our Babayara against Heart of Lions, 6 p.m. on Sunday. And also no live commentary about all the matches in the question. I better say at the live commentary updates in the at me area about Dream Service in Nation Service. You know, it occurs on the 20th midweek. 20th of Wednesday, September, because Dreams our year Africa about Sunday 17th for no into Africa, but in the game now Wednesday 20th after the game about our Africa no now Wednesday about midweek. Media man and our Carolina and so no Wednesday 20th of September and also midweek, you know, after some about Africa and you know now also about Bonti Shadows so no Sanet Friday opening game no RTU against Heart of Folk. Yeah, the live commentary bro. Fear. Remember that Great Olympics and Bofakwa Sunday Legon Cities and Carolina Suatraman and Bechem United FC Samatex and Adriana Stars Brekum Chelsea and it goes Stars. Sounds at 6 p.m. Kwasiada 17th September no Asante Koroko and Heart of Lions and also live commentary and so bro Fear Dreams FC Wednesday 20th and the Nations FC and I think so Mediama and so no a game no and so no and also no Ebebaso and so no Wednesday 20th of September and also no Shishaya and then you know the Bet Power Premier League in Penny 4 and so no at me I am our Zinabeka I has and Sabana Akuffo.
Okay. My cousin Betty at your phone now. I'm on say left to be a with you now with you and Yakano. One WhatsApp here now, one Facebook here now, one Twitter here now.
walk we are or my auntie wanka. Yes, you move one day, Hanum Bina. We say with you, and I remember count never my I receive never my increase and 80 my one more. Into no baby over could be I know I woman you who say wash a aka bitchy average for the arena England for him say £1 and I didn't way I had the battle when we say 1 year man talent I did it. I have what the fee into the woman into Wanka. Aka remember a class of folk who say, like I say, in this era of football, no. Oche idea to be am a class of fuka this is I say in a recent time I know we yanisa so no utie commentate away communication on the casa utie as more can say in the olden days in a class of fuka find very difficult to be cry training but for now we have modern stadium and I say we facilities are war in Ghana now they are class of fuka is the best so make us say and what me I fear and shaba Akuffo as a president, I was able to mean the feeling of the different environment and I went to me for Abba Akuffo and I was baby away training area the way one can the players are new players Abba coach for Abba just say be I knew I want to know they have to get the best out of the team where they was sent by a started Premier League on the 18th for now. Wait me then enya baby then I say make say for now they are on the right way and on the right path say wait me I be me say new coach about no 30s are on one left for mono player team bet me agile to the sense be we league no wait me anya the few of the 30s in proper now wait me they are starting league in my league na make say for now they are on the good track.
All right, I know you're senior on duty. Black Stars and come out and him say you not touch it. Base, I will come and say and training back also press conference in paying for by betting some outdoor updates. But latest now, Joseph Pinto on so to me pro on your part of the team. Fatau Ishaku and then paying for and so I can say Omra not be replace Joseph Pinto. Yeah, my main shots in few Black Stars attach base. I will come and say squad in set. Joseph Pinto out and he said okay a lot of experience on a banner football and also with the Black Stars in the contribution to the national team after say controversies be about Erifa and call up to the World Cup on away but after that no buy we prove some deserve to have a place in the Black Star squad. I know out I want to me more Fatau Ishaku I replacing on Black Stars Jericho, but still squad no at the set. So far, me say what you want training are you impressed? Amanfo kofa Richard Ofori assemble. About 6 almost a year now. A year, more than a year cry. Under post me from our Black Stars. It has always been Jojo Walacott and Nuruddin and Artizigi, but this time around Walacott is out and Ofori Ababeshim.
I think I rightly explained when I think last 3 days with reference to the day's inclusion and in the national team. And I think it's similar to Richard Ofori. I think Ureti captains now. I think he's the third in command.
Yeah.
After Dede, Pate, and him.
Yeah.
I've known that guy over a long period of time, and for him to rise from that, he's quite a young guy. But I think when you have a bit of experience and exposure with the Black Stars, so one of the big players in Black Star, although now he's finding himself very wanting on playing time. But then it's obvious, automatically he's not going to be the number one. But I always say, when it comes to management of players, you need certain players and they come to help you, a manager or a coach, to deal with management of egos and attitude. I think some of these reasons are the reasons why certain players were called upon. And I think, with him, I'll bet on that is one of the main reasons why your friend with the exposure and the experience and a war with the national team, playing African Cup of Nations, playing several World Cup qualifications and whatever, the experience with the national team, and to me farm enough and to the home. It's clear, Ati is an obvious choice, but when it comes to other backroom issues, I think Ofori will stand tall with the position and the pedigree in the national team, being the second deputy captain of the national team. I think it's called for. With Joseph Pinto, I think
He's a very good player, a very talented player who affect the game from substitution. But I think we have players who are equally good will be able to man the mantle. Because I don't know where they are going to deploy Jordan anyway. But I feel personally say you deploy Jordan on the right side of the attacker. He's very instrumental, very, very, very efficient. Even Antoine Semenyo recently Bournemouth, he plays from the right side of the attack, and that is where exactly Joseph Pintel also operates from. So I think it's a massive injury, but I think it won't be that of a big blower. I bet affected him so much playing against Central African Republic. So I think it's sad. That is one of the difficult aspects of playing football as a player. Injury, you can't deal with them, but sometimes the time you get the injuries are so crucial to the extent, say, when you are supposed to blossom, when everybody is supposed to see what you are made of, that is where injuries will come, and it's part of it. So I'm believing, say, he would go back and come back stronger. But I believe, say, it won't affect the team that much.
Now, for the inclusion of Fatal Ishayaku to come in and replace Joseph Pinto, I want in this season. They moved to Leicester City so far, about one game pair. Leicester City. I
think that boy should be managed very well. When you talk about prospect, he's got prospect, and sometimes you see, okay, there are certain players they are untouchable. We keep them, irrespective of whatever is happening. We keep them, knowing very well, say they have the prospect. And the age is very good, Unfortunately for him, he found himself in an exceptionally good team like Sporting Lisbon. Exceptionally talented players are. Rising to that pedigree, baby, do even in Europa, right? Europa, baby, do last season contribution. It's very difficult for him to break through. To going to Leicester, I think is a very good mover. Leicester team here, I'm very experienced. We have Ibans, he will get much playing time. So I'm expecting, say, that boy should be managed very well. So his inclusion is very good. It's very good. It's very good for his progress.
But Amanfo can say, for a player, this season just one game in our ball. Now, Osher Bani for FC Zurich. This season, I think so. I have 3 goals in about 6 or 7 matches for Zurich. Now, to replace.
Okay, I've always said when it comes to player calling, a lot of things goes in. Okay, it just goes beyond the normal. Every year, Barnier left Accra as a folk, and I knew that was the end of him, the national team. Yes, I knew. It's been proven. Last time, the likes of Mahatma Otu or has your friend Black Star or Kotana benches. When Mahatma left us, that was the end. Eric Bekwene opportunity when they were in Kotoko. When they left, that was the end. There are several players. When the local team, I said, it's mandatory. Say you definitely have to include a local player. As of that time, they will look at players but when you leave, and that's the end. Because we have players here, there are some of the players who are in teams who are not playing. They are not even getting playing time, but they are there. Whilst others are playing consistently, they have match fit, they are getting the opportunities, they are proving what they are, and they are not getting the call up. So what I say, every year Barnier was in House of Folk, and the entire nation will speak for you because a local player is doing well. Now who speaks for you? You get it? Who is going to push you? Unfortunately, the manager is certain Yaudabo who doesn't even carry that much weight when it comes to Ghana football. You understand? So who is going to talk for you and push you up? But when you are a local player, everybody in the local scene is saying, oh, he's doing well, push him there. You get it? It's very difficult. Okay, I'm not saying Isaku is not a very good player, very good prospect. I think only a few now with the same category, age category. When you're under 20, they roll through the ranks, whatever, and then. But she may be Isaku Befai, certain dreams. Look at Nipa, the team he's coming from. Stefan is owned by who? Until when it comes to player call up the normal performance in it. I think even the normal performance in the crown is just about some 30%. There are other aspects of the game that people look to. That is why certain players who don't even have playing time in their teams, who are warming the bench, are still getting the call up ahead of other players who are doing exceptionally well, who are playing, delivering day in, day out. So I think on the whole, every Barnier wouldn't have been bad. But Even it should have even been included in the normal routine because we share what the prospect and what he's doing at FC Zurich. I mean, but who is going to talk for you? So that is the other side of the game. But Fatah Isaku is I'm a great fan of that boy. He's not bad with the experience, what he has done in the national team at that age. I think after some time they are the ones who are going to pick up the national team. And I think when you give them the exposure, it's better, Ike.
All right, I know it's senior. Kwame said but news coming in from Manchester United. For Branch Anthony breaking news and it's I'm reading the official statement. Manchester United take position on Anthony case with an official statement. So Manchester United acknowledges the allegations made against Anthony and notes that the police are conducting inquiries. Pending further information, the club will be making no further comment on this situation. As a club, we are taking this matter seriously with consideration of the impact of these allegations and subsequent reporting will have on survivors of abuse. It's my statement police no entry area for Anthony Nensen Seven Onim Sen Chebiana ex-girlfriend at the Babontin said Anthony abuse, Bono, they are quite missing Greenwood issue here be Man U press anymore. But Man United they statement about him sir. We jam police, the police I show. But I know in Chile say once we just was also case one funny serious on when and so ebediachi papa enti and also I don't know. Fear woman, they be ametna America. Muntie, they be a mama foot to see now. They be done, they be biano. Fat digital rough. Now the be do obi. Fat digital rough.
Okay.
No, I'm telling you.
Since now you're now go to your tower of now, since say, oh, I called Dobia. Now be a do funny. What the Anthony are you moving? We are okay. Blasters and some. Blasters and some. Yes, maybe I trim.
Blasters and some, but. Akropong say Man U players in one girls and I say one you know one. The same team, the same team. Mason Greenwood, the same team. Rashford,
Greenwood,
the same team. Oh, okay.
So senior, and young man, you see, there is something that is going on. Abrofono, why smart?
Yeah,
they are becoming very smart. Sir Anthony. And if I ask, Mama, you many and Medina, this issue wouldn't have come up. Until once the player blows on about lamplighter, they think that it's a beautiful way to get money and make up, knowing very well, say, the abuse issue, but a big issue, everybody will want to follow. So they are bringing it up.
See what happened to Benjamin?
They are bringing it up
after 2.5 years. Yes. Salary, Man City.
But Benjamin Mendy, on the more serious, I'm very happy he's taking Man City to court.
Yes.
Mason Greenwood. Man U to and the Kassa. If you not Cologne will get off, Man U still paying him. And it was Man U's responsibility to look for a club for the boy, pay him, make sure that he is stable, be until he leaves the club entirely. And then a big club like Man City, you deserve this boy in difficult times. Where Jano went through difficult time, you never paid the boy for 2 years.
See now, about this time, come on. About this time,
I'm say, Afcon, 2024. And Edumani, you say, now, Ghana, na young and this strategy will say with my qualify for Ghana. You can say for qualifications, you qualify for Afcon. I know your problem, Ghana, but Oshe, send another kind players are one plan one what they want to be him. Oshe, you say Fatah, ye play beer from under 20, under 23, 20. Unse they are on the magazine for now. What you player they move him gradually from step to step. I say when they would more national team, you call World Cup is part of the World Cup. Unse now or you be a netem be and when here play beer or ye. On one friend of Crane when he played with Nabi Wilma. This is the first choice about Kofanaba because I know you'll be a 1 year process from processes and American. Did you share with the 17? I am I said, I had yourself into a few now would never be him.
because in the World Cup, Ghana for Nigeria to say Joseph Pinto was far better than Ishaku. But what the Ishaku Monko was Joseph Pinto. And now no, the team and I said the management team will say no, this is the right thing they have to do. So they have to call Joseph Pinto. And Fulfill so anti-attack on the side and I can't go put and this means automatically I say some Fred Fatal or something to make a say for what in Abbey when maybe we say yeah Adibia because you say Fatal is the player we need to be one Fred selection. GFA will add Fatal to it. So me and you want say one fair na here another player never be him. Because has to focus striker out of work where a free buy. You all know say ocean caliber of playing ocean physique or one idea. Then I need a person Ghana and the absence of a Samuel you hear someone who is physical in holding the ball. Ocean a free by noise and but say now Kwame Kanu in Ghana. When we are moving from Ghana and one should be able to it may affect because Ghana for you say no, so we move we are now we're moving no we are when our own idea we're going to be at the end unless you become at the top a big team and I say in the limelight because you be England or Spain now or Germany and now you say will be a Bundesliga then that you are in then you make I say then Ghana for one for Ghana bedding about fight amount but you could Zulu money Bangladesh and money you be a limu unless you can fight now two I don't know you can Ghana players and Gazano was say then Mekazi GF and Gaza have to set up of Ghana players and Gaza one walk about how did they manage them because say who manager NUBA or yeah super and also what's that I can't woman who play and Gaza team who move how I journey because in the
but I feel move to Zurich one of the best moves
yeah
he's playing.
And I'm telling you, Obo day in day out. In yesterday season, one about 6 matches, was 3 goals. As a striker, it's good. But by say, so when you're a good manager, or manager, he will talk for you. It can be okay, because you say.
But should it always be the Unia? Is it not for the eyes to see the player? No. Performance, good.
The whole Ghana is a player.
And even my problem at the with our call criteria,
selected players.
Is it based on current form? And I say, oh, you know, they will be there. You bet me the knock when they need the young and I say, me player, young finish.
One, me player, young finish him. Two, you know, money doubt. There be your friend is Anthony, me no bet me then, aye. So, me just say. Me just say idea sane man ya adwuma wo say wonu me say me will be a owo GFA insider obetimi akasa ma me a automatically no yeke wo frame me anya de be problem bia because obi wo insider all GFA dey be wo kasa or your boss minimum no who maka you say now no Ghana appointee and kasa say footballers ni who you know una woni mu na ye ne be hye wo so share now Bibia be could be as an abene. It's a Yaman Obaba blaster whereby Ghana for you the yarn you go to ya bet him as because you say line up and president Jamaica line up on the other doubt. It's 1 or 2 say won't feel play and film with dear young phobia made MSU mount. Until the Yaman was still one friend, but just say it's time will come. You know, one pie say Obakoso Ashe goes no more. And now it be able to tell me Africa proper and Casano. Now the goes a washing artillery and then yet. When I boss and GFA boss and I say you coach back to me friend and then kind of Frank back no this is a player them will be take one pie say adwuma no ye na adwuma pa na wa no onkonya prebi na emfa ne kwatena na inside den example ne performance ne kwachi me dey say you be call African proper na ngasa na free ba na ye kan eke me say Africa no there is a few 24 teams in go and that's 24 teams no nipa 15 dey kan qualify out and aka 9 so 9 and then Ghana ye den ewo mu a yes, say betimi a qualify. We say could be a 1-1 match, but just say teams are qualify in you know say in Group A Nigeria and Guinea-Bissau na qualify Group A. You could Group B and say Burkina Faso and Kinved a qualify Group A. A Group B. You could Group C. Who's a Group C? Na 3 teams. Yeah, Mozambique, Cameroon and Burundi. But the most we say Group D C one mono. Mozambique the LED which is over 5 points, Cameroon over 4 points. Cameroon last match about one Bruno never. It's a 2 teams no be winning because we be Cameroon and Bruno be 4 points. Until we are be winning how say group no na Akoka Mozambique when we qualify for the group C. Again group D we say group D Egypt and Guinea na qualify because Egypt was 12 points and Guinea was 9 points. One would the next person 4-4 until automatically decide 2 teams in the one qualify group D. Group F group E we say group E no Ghana was 9 points and Angola 8 points. And say 2 teams say Angola 8 and Central Africa was 7. It's 3 teams will be a team qualify. Because you better na Kumasi ni atwana say Central Africa be share wa share ultimate go nya 10 points one qualify in case Angola Angola was 9 or 8 points on so we need this we are on so 12 points 11 it means now it's one Central Africa qualify and am yen group na say mu aye den because obi obofi
Angola and Central African Republic never qualify. Oh, it's a football.
Mathematically, it's possible. But realistically, it's not. Mathematically, it's possible. But realistically, I've said it. Said no matter whatever we qualify. I don't remember the last time we lost. We lost as a country
at home.
I don't remember the likes of Egypt. Whoever they came here, they fell.
My be a phone line. So na yentu so you baby di boxing come kakra. Onim say freezing McBones. There's two of Senegal and now over the weekend they qualifies to a Olympic Games, on to me or it's about so weekend now Branton I said ne and of course Senegal, but my main be phone lines now a tear from Sumbremo 0551667755 0551667755 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 0205 818-748 0205 818-748. Ubet me Afrabon on WhatsApp and so on. Ubet me Afra 0270 191 971 on WhatsApp or ubet me Afraba Freezy McBones or no on Facebook. I will say whether they not to so come pa Brantano. I bet Figana 11 years in it. Go deeper will be man so deeper na nemfa. That's what in who boxing. Kakra no be done for Nankopon buye kwa mana ene freezy abe professional boxer Ghana so say ni eni man ko ye about ba ko UK winning ya to nsa friends ampa o ye Ghana ni bra na fi nso be kuma o man abrante no nso je pene we ase no bi be si bia ye onim ni o ye je pene a no nso no aba be si aka in Ghana and pictures are really on Facebook nya bro do no krom na ne manfo boje no so afro ukwaya kwaba so sad oba na ese ne papa afima ne papa so akosie no krakra bato akọ cemetery akopay ne respect to ne papa but and now betu to Senegal na akobo ne qualifies boxing na wonti na bra kwantu no ebi I don't know
okay about boxing chizi anyway me follow no kakra after say we knew no so about international bout unya international recognition. I think he was even invited by this renowned boxer, Nigerian guy.
AJ.
Anthony Joshua Koscielny, and I think he provided a lot of motivation and inspiration for him. People were criticizing his style of boxing, but you see, but you see, that is his style. If you ever, my name says Mike Tyson boxing. Okay, Mike Tyson won't give you the opportunity to even breathe. Tama no when he peak, no. You know, he knocked people out even 28 seconds in round 1 and other things. So I think that is his style. With good coaches and then good trainers, and I think they can polish him. He has the same, he has strength, he has power. Into a cat technique kakra. Minyo opportunity here boxing kakra. Your ball boxing kakra iti. No. Mambo, no, amateur. Me yen as a course.
Okay.
Into no, me hunim die kakra. Into no, I think our power, our strength, I can need a bit of technique, and I think with good coaches, we'll do well. Coming back to compete for Ghana, it's his choice. On we're making a decision. The Biami can say,
people who struggle and go through difficulties and difficult times in Ghana and break through, no. Ekeje wanya option. Say onya any little option and opportunity with any other country, we are out. We are out. No, we are out. I'm telling you, we are out because the country Ghana nankasa yem fan shishe bia ntukwemu. Odo de bia o pese embe na wakofa. Yem fan shishe bia ntukwemu. Omanpanyi dada wetwa mu see wonderful edifice. Wonderful edifice. What is the Boxing Association doing? By this time, your National Boxing Academy. I can see you.
All right.
Okay. But we don't do anything.
Okay. On Facebook, you know, they about the Black Stars are winning tomorrow. Coming up for you, some more fire. Great analysis. They are more fire than them. Kofi Ajuman, I say, Man U and beating their girls. Lisa Brown, I say, welcome. And Aquaman Perry with your radio sexy voice. They say, I don't know, Perry, fans and the Jigusa, I don't know, Starboy on Facebook. I say, watching the show live and clear at our from Airport champion Kelvin, more fire. Tomorrow's game is going to be tough, but still, Black Stars will carry the day. Greetings to Yasma, Kojo Space, Oibo Boateng, and my father, my lovely father. No joke. That's one papa guy name and no friend no joke. As a papa, discipline afraid of you. Senior 30 seconds on a year. Freezy.
Okay. Sana we are coming Kano. Ghana na abi nkwani yepe. You must say be there. You be too many kaba beju. But we tama. Oh, horo hone ade na. Odi si jasu ni ade na obi ani obi soja obi ani obi buya. Ege denja me kasa. Uhwe in Ghana. In the olden days now, never nkofu kura hu yan boxing because azuma nom actors wo share quote no money ade uze na they won't know as Ghana as a boxing country because the work abontin the way I work on okay na enye small
okay
but ye do your embrace then nothing is going on hwe okobuku mu there's mo frank to one ade wo ho they want to be as a boxer but obi eni obebuya won mekwatena menua bako Jamestown o London market echiwo ege na ebo awiem kakra obekọ nsu na ponana na west akwete na waba de se why dan small when we were waiting na de wo won wokọ wode poke ni ade kwa echi no won woka woton ice cream ni ade no se bo anwumre be ye fogo sa ata na wode wosoa wakon echi no wasoa ne ma no na wabese obesua boxing bo unse wudu bokum afi bia ni boxer da ho akonta kwa enti no mitime kwatena wa na wo se na me say that me think of no go for me na papa bi say bon kram say my boxer da me say de anytime bia na me say den me say ba me hwe de we wo bobi blow na me say de bi say adwuma we yen e kan ye de me kwa say adwuma but obi say so be ye but ye mo ya no but e bend ya e ba beje many phrases say na we can me say obi am can't be am so open.
But an interesting story coming out from Ghana Boxing Association. If a brand so winning bronze the last Olympic Games, a brand Techi, yes, no issue, and it sounds after that tournament, you know, president promising $20,000. Now brand say, my up to now, my Amadia uncle and Ghana football, Ghana Boxing Federation, right? Oma dropping no. I didn't fee. Yes, qualifies your call. Akropong no. No. Achina. Everyone they have discussed sa and some no. And see, you be senior yako yamubo achina betina say. About channel so achina 4 p.m. Black Stars of Ghana against Central African Republic in the live commentary. And so no ebe bro you made so na se kesen confirm Verna Water. Yes, ekwaimu ameden se no ba insu no banom na afi so minimu adawo no pedua na toso dia Verna Water. Oh ye party ye bibia oh ye de nyansu a make am for Verna Water. And so no e dia ma sound so na 1xbet and a betting company boys no ADD umeki registration na your first depositor ye ma 100% bonus and so ewo ho out no so intene ko na kwa register on 1xbet na so di sika unya fu embro emfiedu watwa memfa hunjim utwa so a na sebe o de adwen e de aton tontina 74 T74 eso ya sin e mi booster onoma awade beba obekọ adwuma so aba awade so usora no pa na wona me yaw no fo nom T74 nembaw nempeja hoɔden no ensen ensi obiem omadama esuemu ma e the global sports no e bae loti senior on duty nka Samson Akwame Sedega K Brown ye me producer DJ Weather MCR the boy Ziggy Donzi ano damia omunyina eboae Nana Kofi Okorageman enso eta change den Gideon Into and afin so the able executive producer enso no era Kwaku Boati amo boy ame den 7 no enyina ebae nyame boa echina ebeba na afin so no yato aso muchum